Oh, is it? You saucy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lauren Ashley, and today we will be getting into our first Pride Month look, because it is Pride Month. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. If you're interested in doing this look, keep on watching. Yes, but before we move on, please make sure you follow all of my social media platforms, which will pop up throughout the video at the bottom of the screen, matching this rainbow. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, because y'all, we growing, but we growing slow. I don't understand. Like, Jesus, I'm trying to be patient. But our time is coming. Oops. Our time is coming. So yeah, y'all, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Bye. All right, you guys, jumping right into it. You know, I already did my eyebrows and prepped one of my eyes off camera. I did them. I'm gonna do them separately because I'm doing a lot of color and it's gonna take a long time for me to like get each eye done. So I don't want this one to be creasing while I'm working on this one. So I'm just gonna do it one at a time. But yeah, let's see. We're gonna start off with, all right, you guys, I'm gonna hop into that Avani Greg palette in X Morphe, and I'm gonna hop into that red shade. Well, I keep saying hop. Maddie Don't Like, and I'm just gonna take this all the way across my crease. We're gonna do a full cut crease today with multiple colors. Just wait and see, y'all, because I'm so excited. I think I don't know where I'm gonna start. All right, you guys, we're gonna go back into the Avani Greg palette, and we're gonna go into the shade, this orange shade, You Made Beach. I do this every time. Forgive my language, but I do this every time I do this color, and I just did this so ugly. All right, you guys, on to the next shade. We're going back into that Avani Greg, and we're gonna pop into the yellow shade Beat Bop. Beat Bop. No, that's beatbox, ain't it? Yeah. So we're gonna go back into that orange once again, blend the yellow out, make it more seamless so it won't look so freaking harsh. Okay, on to the cut crease. We're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. Where is it? Because I just put it on my hand. Okay, I can't find it at the moment, but it's silver if you haven't paid attention to the rest of my videos. And we're just gonna do a full cut crease just like that. Most people clean their lid because they say give it a more sharp edge, make it look real smooth and stuff. However, honestly, to me personally, I think it just depends on how you do it, because I don't really clean the makeup off ever. I just cut my crease over it and it still looks pretty sharp to me, but it's just a personal preference. So in my opinion, it's a personal preference. Oh girl, I'm blocking away, I'm sorry. Why you ain't tell me? Well, you can't tell me, but why you ain't tell me?
This may sound strange.
Oh snap.
You've been here before. You were here when this wrench was turned.
All right, you guys, for the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Juvias Place Culture palette. You see the name? Respect the beach. I mean, girl. Jesus, I gotta work on it. So, we're gonna go into this. Okay. See, but like I said, we're gonna be in this color right here. The color is called Ecowas. I don't know. Jesus, forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. We're just gonna pack it in that outer piece we got going on right there. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, I really love this palette because every single color in here, every single color is vibrant. This brush ain't gonna work though, it's too big. All right, you guys, we're gonna go back into that Culture palette. I don't know why I keep saying it like that, but we're gonna go into that blue shade beside that purple shade called Shakir. Jesus, these names just beat me up. Yeah, blue. Oh my god! 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 What the heck? All right, you guys, for the lid shade, I know I'm looking a little crazy. I'm going back into that Culture palette, and we're gonna go in that green shade right here called Terrible. Ooh, you can't even see that. Terrible. We're gonna put that right up in here. Hopefully it turns out cute. Oh, and don't be alarmed. That's stuff that didn't stick to the primer. It's not that wide. All right, you guys, I finished this eye off camera. It took freaking ages. Let me just put that out there. So we're going to head on to the lips. Today I'm using the NYX dark brown pencil. NYX dark brown eye pencil. Jesus, we hard to line my lips. And I'm using the MAC Love You Back matte lipstick. It's her pretty, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna start by lining our lips. Ooh. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was easy to follow, even though I gave a whole bunch of steps. But please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are a growing family. We slowly growing, y'all. It's discouraging, but we're gonna keep on going until we get to where we want to be. So yeah, make sure you follow all of my social media platforms that have popped up throughout the screen, matching the rainbow that we got going on because it's Pride Month. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.